The highlight of today's tourism was a dinner cruise on the Chao Phraya River. We went for a light lunch at the Savoey Restaurant, where we ordered Thai-style lemon garlic chicken with coconut milk and spring rolls. With our favorite mango and sticky rice drinks that only cost 140 baht each. Then we went by taxi to Asiatique, a riverfront dining and entertainment area. We got there well before we had to check in for our White Orchid Dinner cruise. We wandered around to look at the offerings. Neo was accosted by a friendly parrot that tried to eat his hat. They also had pride decorations there. The cruise check-in was very disorganized as they had moved the location at the last minute. We got a priority place at the head of the lineup. Once we boarded, a friendly staff person conducted us to our table beside the railing. I took the opportunity to video the buffet, and the seafood grill before it was opened to the ravenous hordes. Soon it was time to cast off. The buffet was opened and was mobbed. As we were leaving, we were passed by another dinner cruise boat that looked very similar to ours. As we cruised along the river, the entertainment started. A fairly good singer singing to backing tracks. Since she was singing Western popular songs that are doubtless copyrighted, I have to mute her. She interacted with the kids and sang audience participation songs. Soon it was our turn to fill up our plates at the slightly ravaged buffet. Most of the grilled seafood was gone. No problem for me. We passed one of the hop-on, hop-off boats. We had very nice float-by views of the icon Siam, and the Millennium Hilton. A detailed map of every important site we would pass was not provided. We only had this basic map to get our bearings. We passed Vichai Prasit Fort, sorry for any mangled pronunciation, Wat Kanlaja and its attached school, Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, the Rama 8 Bridge. This cable-stayed suspension bridge has an asymmetrical design, with a single pylon in an inverted Y shape on the west bank of the river. We made a U-turn and proceeded back down the Chao Phraya River, passing the Grand Palace, the River City Pier. I managed to catch this almost sunset shot of Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. a Thai Navy vessel, there were many high-rise buildings beside the river. And other interesting buildings. Soon we were back at the Asiatique Centre to disembark around 2 hours later. I give the White Orchid cruise 3 out of 5 stars. The food was good, but their online advertising gave the impression that this was a sunset to night tour, so I felt let down as it was all in daylight. Once it got dark, we decided to hang out beside the river to take some night shots. Despite the strong wind, I flew the drone for a few minutes. We walked through part of the amusement park. As we were preparing to leave, we came across the Rocking Doll restaurant. They were advertising barbecue pork ribs at very cheap prices, so we couldn't resist trying them. The small size turned out to be quite large, filling, and delicious. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.